Hi, I am Karan Rawat and I am husband to a wonderful wife, father to a lovely daughter. People know me as storyteller and a spiritual person personally, and professionally I am known as a dot connector, brand and experience strategist. And I am the founder of Breakthrough with Karan Rawat, which is my platform, and I'm here to help young professionals and students to break through in their career and make a career in brand strategy for the new digital era. I have learned so much in last 14 years as a strategist, as a creator, as a dot connector, as a storyteller. I have been creating brands, for different startups, businesses, but I had learned so much and I always wanted to give it back to the young professionals and students. And my mission is to really create breakthrough brand masterminds who will be strategic creators, who will be strategic brand creators for the new digital era.